Hi students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our 4th chapter, that is basic geometric concepts. Yes. So students, in the last day, previous video already you have learned about that. What is that? A triangle. It is also one of the polygon. Yes, but the smallest, that means least sides having polygons. Yes, सबसे छोटा polygon मतलब जो polygon different types of polygons है, सबसे less number of sides polygon is a triangle. Yes, because the polygon bounded with the only 3 sides. ठीक है. Now, what students, today we are going to discuss about that. Polygons, those are closed figure or that bounded with 4 sides. That is called as what? Do you have idea? Yes, that is quadrilateral. Do you know that quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is one of the polygon which one is bounded with 4 sides. ठीक है. मतलब a closed simple figures, those are bounded with 4 sides or 4 line segments, that is called as quadrilaterals. You know that in the previous classes so many different types of quadrilaterals you have studied, like rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, kite. Yes, you have studied. Yes, so these are the different generally bounded with 4 sides. Okay? How like a triangle is bounded with 3 sides, same like a quadrilateral bounded with the 4 sides. जो पॉलीगॉन बाउंडेड विथ मतलब जो पॉलीगॉन का 4 साइड्स है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सिंपल डेफिनेशन, ए पॉलीगॉन हैविंग 4 साइड्स इज कॉल्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ठीक है. ए पॉलीगॉन हैविंग 3 साइड्स इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रायंगल. ए पॉलीगॉन हैविंग 4 साइड्स इज कॉल्ड क्या है? क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ठीक है. अभी different types of quadrilaterals is there, that is parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium, square, kite. Different types of quadrilaterals are there. You study in higher class also what are their properties, how that we study. But friends, today we'll discuss about the special quadrilateral. What is that quadrilateral first, and what are the sides, what are the relations, about the angles we will discuss in this video. So let us see what is that. A polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. That means polygon which already have studied the definitions. Polygon मतलब a closed figure having that those are bounded with the line segments. ठीक है. And if that 4 sides with it bounded, this is called as a quadrilateral. ठीक है. For example क्या है? Rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. These are the examples of quadrilateral. ठीक है. Those are bounded with all are the 4 sides. ठीक है. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Suppose in quadrilateral ABCD, what is that? They have the 4 sides. What are that? AB is one side, yes. BC is one side. CD is one side. AD is one side. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 sides are there. Its 4 angles are A, B, C, and D. It has also 4 angles. This is called as angle. This is angle. This is also one of the angle. This is also one of the angle. So how many angles are there? 4 angles. That means a quadrilateral has 4 sides as well as 4 angles. What are the 4 sides? AB, AB. Suppose ABCD is quadrilateral. That sides are we are giving the name AB, BC, CD, and AD. If PQRS, PQ one side, RS one side, PQ, QR, RS, and RSP. Like that also you can keep that name. ठीक है. But here I have written A B C D, so like that way we can say that this is one side, A B side, its name is A B. ठीक है. And this side name B C. That what are the initial and end? That points you have to say that name B C, C D, and D A or A D. These are the sides and 4 sides. Quadrilateral having the 4 sides and also 4 angles. Angles means this one. So when the 2 line segments are joining, and already have studied that, that is the vertex and that is the angle. So A, B, and C, and D, these are the angles. So see students, here. Already I have told you about that. What are the sides of a quadrilateral? ठीक है ना students? Now we'll go and we'll discuss about that. What are the adjacent sides? Okay friends? So adjacent side का मतलब क्या है? Now if the two sides having a common points, मतलब दो साइड का नेम है AB और BC और CD ऐसा होता, दोनों साइड में जब कॉमन पॉइंट आ जाएगा उसको बोलते हैं हमें एडजेसेंट साइड्स. ओके, इफ द टू साइड्स आर सेड टू बी एडजेसेंट साइड्स इफ दे हैव ए कॉमन पॉइंट. सो लेट अस सी इन ABCD ऑन क्वाड्रिलेटरल में क्या है. दिस इज A, ऑलराइट, दिस इज B. सपोज ABCD, दिस इज C and this is D. ठीक है. What are the adjacent sides? Now, if suppose AB is one side, this is one side, so these two sides are called as adjacent sides. क्यों बोलते हैं हमें दो two sides को adjacent side? क्योंकि ये दो साइड का कॉमन पॉइंट B है. ठीक है, B का B and BC का भी कॉमन पॉइंट B है. तो hence these two sides are called as adjacent side. Same like BC and CD का the common point is C. Hence CD and BC are called adjacent sides. So see, look at here friends, two sides are said to be adjacent if they have the same point, मतलब point in common points in quadrilateral ABCD, ABBC, ABBC adjacent sides, BC and CD, BC and CD are adjacent sides, CD and AD, CD and AD are adjacent sides, AD and AB, AD and AB, these are adjacent sides. But we cannot say AB the adjacent side is CD. Can you say? No. This side adjacent side is not this. Okay. So these are called as a generally adjacent side of a quadrilateral ABC. Okay. Now we can discuss about that adjacent angles. Okay. What do you mean by adjacent angles? So two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common arm. दोनों आर्म पे मतलब दोनों एंगल पे जब कॉमन आर्म होगा, एक आर्म कॉमन होगा. सपोज ऑब्जर्व दैट स्टूडेंट्स, एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी, ये दोनों एंगल को हमें एडजेसेंट एंगल बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है, देखो ये एंगल का आर्म ए बी सी ए बी है एंड दिस है, एंगल बी का आर्म बी सी भी है, ए बी भी है. तो मतलब ये जो ए बी साइड है दोनों एंगल के लिए कॉमन है. मतलब दो एंगल का कॉमन आर्म होगा तो वो दोनों एंगल को एडजेसेंट एंगल आप बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब एंगल ए और एंगल बी को कॉमन आर्म कौन है, ए बी. सो इसीलिए दो एंगल को हमें एडजेसेंट एंगल बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, सेम लाइक अदर व्हाट आर द एडजेसेंट एंगल. सपोज बी एंड सी बिकॉज सी डी इज द कॉमन साइड और कॉमन आर्म. सी एंड डी इफ एंगल सी एंगल डी का कॉमन आर्म इज सी डी. ओके, सो व्हेन द टू एंगल्स का कॉमन आर्म होगा दोनों एंगल को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, एडजेसेंट एंगल. लेकिन एंगल ए का एंगल सी को हम नहीं बोल सकते. एंगल ए को एंगल सी को कॉमन एडजेसेंट एंगल नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि ए एंगल का CD and BC is the arm. एंगल ए का AD and AB is the arm. So there is no common arm for the both angles. That's why we cannot say these are the two angles are adjacent angles. So what are the adjacent angle of the quadrilateral ABCD? Angle A and B are the adjacent, B and C are the adjacent, C and D are the adjacent, D and A are the adjacent angles or the pair of adjacent angles of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now we discuss about that what are the opposite sides. In quadrilateral ABCD, the pair of opposite sides are AB, CD, BC and AD. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, you know that students, the teacher sometimes will ask what is that opposite direction of north. What is that? North का opposite direction is south. What is the opposite direction of east? The opposite direction of east is west. Same like in the quadrilateral, AB का opposite side is CD. Okay, and the BC का opposite side is AD. Okay students, so these are the opposite sides. Same like students, opposite angles क्या होता है? In a quadrilateral ABCD, the pair of opposite angles are angle A and C. Angle A का opposite side C होगा. Why not B and C? D, because B is adjacent angle. D also adjacent angle of A. So if B and D, if you leave other remaining part of that angle is called as a opposite angle of a quadrilateral. ठीक है students, I hope you have understand about that quadrilateral And what are the examples of the quadrilateral? What is the adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite sides, opposite angles. ठीक है? I hope you have understood thoroughly. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.